What is this seashell doing here? Oh, that was my grandma's. If you put your ear into it, you'll hear the waves.
All hands on deck, there's a storm coming.
Is this a joke? Is what a joke? Nothing?
Man overboard, the ship is sinking.
Hello?
A voice from the heavens.
No!
It's the devil come to take us.
No, I can help you.
Oh no, the winds are picking up, the storm's getting worse. Why do the winds smell like tacos?
What are you looking for? I'm looking for something. Aha! Lifesavers!
We're saved, woo!
Is everything alright? Now everything is.
Oh no, they're melting, and the sharks are attracted to the sugar.
Hello. I hope you don't forget to like this video and subscribe.
And share with your friends no matter where they are.
And hope you can share with the little ones.
Pour us some M&Ms, we're hungry. No, those are W's, we need M&Ms. Those are W's, you fool.